Now, you might not know this, but on average, software engineers spend only 19 hours every week writing code. This means that even though most people have the time, they don't make the most of their time. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get more done as a programmer. The first step is to be bored. Since our brains want to do the most stimulating thing available, if the most stimulating thing available is doing work, then it'll work instead of being bored. If you instead had the option to scroll Instagram or code, your brain would choose to scroll Instagram. So for this, I just recommend getting rid of anything distracting and your phone from your room. Now, the second tip is to not wait for the right moment, because if you keep waiting for the best setup, best coffee, or the best time of day to get your work done, you'll just procrastinate. Third tip is to have a structured approach to code. Now, most people procrastinate because of lack of clarity. Even if you want to work, because of the lack of clarity, you will just end up feeling like you want to procrastinate. Now, to solve this problem, I recommend keeping a system of projects and tasks related to those projects. Now, don't spend a lot of time looking for the best app for this. You can even start with pen and paper. The fourth tip is to do the first step. If you don't feel like coding, just code for 5 minutes. After this 5 minutes, you could stop if you want, but in most cases, you won't, because most of the friction we feel around work is before we start the task. Now, the fifth tip is to make a daily highlight, and this tip is from the book Make Time. Essentially, you just need to pick the most important task you need to tackle the next day and schedule it into your calendar. Ideally, this task should be 60 to 90 minutes long. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.